Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping your iPhone or iPad from offloading apps. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. By default, your iPhone and iPad are set to offload apps. This means that if you don't use an app for a certain amount of time, it will be uninstalled from your device. Your data relating to the app will be saved, but if you want to use the app again, you'll have to re-download it, which can be super annoying. Here is how to stop that from happening. Open up the Settings app, scroll down the settings and tap on App Store. Scroll down the App Store settings and tap the toggle to the right of Offload Unused Apps to switch it off. When off, the toggle will be grey rather than green. With this toggle switched off, your phone or iPad will no longer delete unused apps. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.